My name is Rachel Bence. I'm the Chief Information Officer here at Queen Mary, University of London. Our digital strategy is absolutely fundamental to the strategy of the university overall. The modernisation of that digital strategy was a priority for me when I joined. Resilience and reliability, I would say, is our key objective operationally. In an always connected environment, we are promoting 99.9% availability for our staff and students. It's vital for them that those services are up and running, particularly at critical parts of the year, and the satisfaction with those feeds into our staff survey and also our national student survey. Where it's absolutely critical for us to have performant and available systems is those key parts of the year, particularly confirmation and clearing, where the actual income of the university is impacted in terms of the numbers of students that we can obtain during that process. A smart campus is a real objective for us here at Queen Mary, and what we mean by that is people who can interact digitally with the campus, and the campus knows how many people, for example, are in a building at any one time. For our partners in estates, it's very important for them to control temperature and lighting for sustainability and efficiency. The digital feeds you're getting from Smart Campus helps you to feed into the whole AI topic. So we are really looking at AI actively, and for AI to work, you have to have a really robust data strategy. And for a really robust data strategy to be in place, your digital strategy has to work really, really well. Our strategy is to bring in best-of-breed tools, and with Azure and with Dynatrace, that's what we've got. We have made a massive attempt to move majority, 80 to 90% of those services into the cloud. Having the observational capability that Dynatrace brings has been amazingly helpful. At Queen Mary, it's critical that we move from a reactive to a proactive approach. Our lecturers are very sensitive to the tech in the classrooms becoming unavailable. But with Dynatrace, what we've been able to do is proactively monitor the teaching tech centrally. So if there is a problem, we can fix it in advance before it ever becomes a problem for the lecturer and the students in the classroom.
We had a lot of fragmented monitoring tools that didn't give us a single pane of glass. We had to consult different teams, especially at the time of problems. Very hard to find root cause because the war rooms were very exhausting.
With Dynatrace, we've been able to replace around 30 legacy systems, all of which were put in place over the last maybe decade, that have really caused us to work in a siloed way. With Dynatrace and having it all in one place, that's made a massive improvement.
Dynatrace has transformed the way we operate at Queen Mary, University of London, shifting us from reactive and issue-chasing mode to more proactive and insight-driven solution. Dynatrace for us is not just a monitoring tool, it's the way we deliver quality service.